In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a regular lighter into a powerful spray tool. For this project, you'll need a refillable lighter, and you'll have to empty its gas first. First, we'll disassemble the lighter, like this. Take a scalp vane set and cut off a piece of its tubing. Take this piece and coat it with a bit of super glue, making sure not to block the gas outlet. Then attach the tubing to it, just like this. Reassemble the piece and put the lighter back together. Remember this part? We need the metal piece from it. Now take a syringe and slightly melt its tip with a flame. Then attach that metal piece to it. This syringe will be used to inject liquid into our lighter. Now we draw some water into the syringe and slowly inject it into the lighter through the refill port. Make sure to leave a little empty space inside. To power the spray, we'll use butane gas that's made for refilling lighters. We'll add just a small amount of gas into the lighter. All right, our spray is ready. Let's test it out. How was that? Did you like it? Now, what if we replace the water with milk? Let's try it. Wow, that's amazing. Just a little messy, though. What do you think this device could be used for?